Hello guys, what's up? So itutour ko kayo ngayon sa Spring Residences located at SM Bikutan, Parañaque. This is the only affordable rent-to-own condominium ni SMDC na located within Metro Manila. This is just 20 to 30 minutes away to Makati and 10 to 15 minutes away to Ninoy Aquino International Airport. So ayan guys, ito nga pala yung lobby ng isa sa mga towers ni Spring Residences. And this is actually, yeah, yan, ganyan siya ka-elegante, no, yung lobby pa lang ni Spring Residences. Ayan, guys. And at nga pala, guys, dito sobrang strict ng security kasi syempre hindi ka kagad makakapasok basta-basta without presenting an ID and also taking a selfie or picture na gagawin sa inyo sa reception pa lang. And ayan guys, although simple lang talaga itong si Spring Residences when it comes to amenities kasi nasa gitna lang ng pool and wala siya gaanong mga amenities, but of course the location itself is very perfect para sa mga gustong mag-start ng Airbnb kasi malapit na malapit lang siya sa airport. And daily rate income is nag-range ng 2,000 to 2,500 pesos or 60,000 to 75,000 for gross income for monthly naman every month. So by the way guys, wala kaming CI or credit investigation para maka-move in dito kay Spring, no? For as low as 150,000 down payment lang, maka-move in ka na after 3 months or 90 days. And then monthly rent to own mo would be 9,700 pesos for 34 months. Meron lang lump sum na 170,000 on the 36 month before mag-bank financing. The balance is payable via bank financing. So kung for rental investment ang purpose pagkuha mo ng unit, this is very perfect kasi maliit lang yung ika-cash out mo and malaki yung return of investment mo. Kasi yung pwedeng kitain ng unit mo would be yung pambayad mo na rin sa condo mo. And of course, kapag nakaipon ka ulit, pwede ka ulit makabili ng additional condo in 2 years afterwards. So anyways guys, if you have some questions, just PM me. Ito yung actual turnover nga pala ng unit ni Spring Residences. This is 2 bedroom na by the way. Kaya iyan, sobrang madali siya maparent kasi 2 bedroom na rin siya. So anyways guys, please PM me on my Facebook, Red Lorete, or my Facebook page, SMDC Affordable Rent to Own.